What's up my fellow stylers, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to unbox the ring light that I bought from Taobao 3 days ago. I'm so excited about it because it's gonna be my first time to own a ring light. Yes, you heard it right. It's gonna be my first time to own a ring light. So basically I am leveling up my vlogging thing. If you know what I mean. And also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kathleen and I'm doing videos on travel, vlogs, and lifestyle. Also guys, before we move on, let's just take a moment, feel the moment, because we are already 500. Yes, 500 stylers, 500 and more friends in the stylers community, and I'm so happy about it. Thank you so much guys, I'm very grateful, and you have no idea how much this means to me. Alright, so without further ado, let's roll intro. You're watching Kathleen Style. Subscribe! Alright you guys, so this is how the box looks like. So it has my name in there and the Chinese address. Okay, so never mind about that. Okay, let's go open it up. Oops. Yes, I'm so excited about this. Alright, so this is how they pack. Okay, it's all secured and all. Look at that. So inside the box you can see the tripod. Okay. Oh, I like it because it has a level, so you'll see if you are doing the right thing or not. Okay, but this tripod doesn't have any extension. Alright, I thought there is an extension, but it doesn't have. But that's okay. Okay, everything is okay, in good condition. Alright, so the tripod. And the next one, okay, we have the mount. Alright, I guess this is for what? I don't know what this is for. So this one is for the phone, that's for sure. But this one I don't know what is this for. Anyway, so I have this. And the last one is the ring light itself. So let's see. Okay, so this is like I think 12 inches ring light. I think it will do. It will give me an ample light. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Oops. I could have bought a bigger one, but I think this is gonna be good enough. So it has the USB cable. It has a light control. So we're gonna try this in 5, 4, 3, 2.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
Alright, so to test the lights, so this is without the light, and we're gonna turn on the first one. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one is, I guess, the brightest. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is the brightest. Then just gonna turn it down. Ooh, that's it. And for the second light, let's see, the yellowish. The soft one. So this is the brightest. And the lowest is this. And the next one, okay, the more saturated light is this one. Okay, that looks good. And make it soft a little bit, so this is the look. And then the blue one. Ooh, this is so bright. And then turn it down. Yes, oh my goodness, yeah, that actually works, but I think I like this light better. What do you think? Yeah, I think I like this one better because it highlights my skin. Nice. Alright, you guys, so that's it for our unboxing episode. I should have said. Alright, you guys, so that's it for our unboxing, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button down there, and also the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And of course, please follow me. My social medias right here. Alright, so with all that said, I will see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!